Okay, this will be an interesting one. It's been sitting in my lounge for a while. I haven't used it. Didn't think it was going to be an easy one, but I might as well give it a try. I challenge myself to a lot of difficult things to demo with. Don't know how this one's going to turn out. Contrast, I think I'm going to leave it. Okay, let's see what this is. It is Spider Tales Mystery Jigsaw Puzzle. 3 strikes, you're dead. That's not a very nice thing. Not for kids. And yet children are marketed to through this kind of shit. Honestly, I don't understand how these rich people can do that, knowing that children are being polluted, their minds are being sullied by fucking death. What is so fucking good about it, folks? It's like Halloween. It's all about being scared. Who wants to be scared, folks? I don't. I don't see fear as something very nice. Now, I just did that. That's a really stupid design, this photocopier. I don't understand why. But basically, who wants to be afraid? Who wants to be scared? I mean, seriously. Who needs to be afraid and scared? Now that looks shit. Be nice if people could feel safe and happy. What's so wrong with feeling safe and happy instead of feeling scared? Honestly, I'm so over it. Actually, we need it bigger than that, I do think. But yeah, I just don't understand how people can just be scared and enjoy it. That's why I hate horror movies and all that sort of shit. It's really bad. It's not healthy. It's actually quite dangerous. It's like you're playing with the spirit world, folks. It's evil. It's evil. The spirit world is an extremely dangerous, evil force. You don't want to muck with it, folks. It's not something you want to play with. I know people think it's fun and they think it's good to have a scare and freak out for a moment, but I don't think it's really that fun, folks. I don't understand why people like to engage in that kind of stuff. Halloween's dangerous. I can tell you, I'm living proof that the spirit world exists. I was possessed by evil spirits that made me fear what was going to happen when I die. And I was scared like that for more than 21 years, nearly 22 years of my life. I was scared. And I couldn't get that out of my head for very long. And I never intended on scaring myself like that. It wasn't brought on by me doing the wrong thing. Oh yeah, I did get a little bit involved with astral projection, but basically I gave up on that, thinking it was too dangerous, and basically I ended up feeling spiritually sick without any provocation except for that. Maybe that was the cause. Maybe the spirits were angry at me for not getting involved any further in astral projection. But that's dangerous shit. that too. Spirit world crap. So you got to be very careful, folks. Don't fucking dabble. Don't think it's just a game or it's fun. It's not fun if you get infected and then you end up fearing all the time and not being able to enjoy yourself. I did this wrong. I forgot to put the mirror image. So you got to think first. You know, you got to think that this shit is real and that it could ruin your life. So don't. It takes away dreams. It distorts thinking. You become afraid of taking risks that are calculated. You become scared. I mean, it's not worth it. So Halloween's coming up soon, so don't think that it's all fun and games. You could end up possessed and you'll not know how to get away from it, how to recover. Fortunately for me, I recovered. Something happened that helped reset me, but it's not going to happen to everyone. So don't fuck up around with this shit. So I'm just making an interesting demo out of it. So yeah, this is fucked. You can see inside that mask it's a skull. Anyway, I wonder if we can make this, change it around a bit. I'm just going to make a switcheroo. But yeah, don't do Halloween, folks. It's just a money-making rort anyway. It's just to fucking make money from kids. That's not fair. It shouldn't be considered fun. Halloween. Or it's often called, in Australia, we call it trick or treat. Anyway, that looks interesting. I think now we can call this demo quits.